Hey guys, I'm here to show you the best red and green salsa you've ever had. You're watching Smokey D TV. Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to Smokey D TV. Glad to have you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different types of salsas. A silky green salsa and a red bold one that complement any barbecue whatsoever. I'm going to get started with the ingredients first. We're going to do vegetable oil, summer squash, garlic, jalapeno peppers, tomato, onion, cilantro, serrano peppers, and tomatillo, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt. We're going to get started. I'll show you how it's all done. Alright guys, first of all we're going to start off with 3 tomatillos that have been chucked and rinsed. And we're going to cut them up in quarters. Get them ready. Along with 5 jalapenos, also been rinsed. We're going to cut them up in 4 slices. You can add as much jalapenos as you want. I prefer 5, no more than 5. I think it'll be a little bit too strong. This salsa here is one of my favorite. It's one that we personally use here almost every day. It's great on tacos, it's great on anything you want to use. Usually keep it in the fridge. And we give it out to friends and family. They really enjoy it. Next we're going to start with 1 garlic clove. And you get an onion, quarter an onion. Use the quarter onion. Summer squash. We're going to use 2 summer squashes. You cut them in squares. Those in there as well. This is where your creaminess comes from. And everyone will swear this is avocado sauce, but it's not. There's no avocado in it. You'll see how delicious it all comes out. Now we begin to fry everything. We're going to use 1 cup of oil. Start off with a 1/4 cup. Get it nice and hot. Just make sure that your oil is hot, guys. And then start adding your vegetables slowly. Careful not to burn yourself. This is what you're looking for, guys. Alright guys, once we're done frying everything, you put everything to the blender. We add our handful of cilantro. And then we get the oil that we use to fry the stuff in, and go ahead and reuse it because it has all the flavor, the vegetables, the chili, everything. We're going to pour it in here. And what we're looking for is a creamy consistency. We're going to add our 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, a little bit of salt to taste. We're going to blend it until it becomes nice and creamy. delicious. Alright guys, so that's the green salsa. Now the green salsa is really mild, it's really silky, really smooth. It's great for chips, it's great for tacos, it's great to put over your meat after it's cooked. It's good for everything. So yeah, try it. I think you enjoy it. Alright guys, we're gonna start on the red one now. The red one's even easier than the green one. All it is you use Roma tomatoes. I like the little smaller ones. They seem to have more flavor. And you can get like 3 or 4. What you do is toast them, roast them. Same thing with serrano peppers. Just take the ends off of them. And remember, these are hot, these are spicy. So be careful with these. We like it pretty spicy. So we use about, I don't know, 8 of them at least. Add 2 garlic cloves, roast 2, a quarter onion, and that's it. All you do is roast it for right now. So the tomatoes are getting nice and toasty. Onion, chili. Done roasting our tomatoes, our chilies, our garlic. Look how beautiful that looks. You're just gonna throw them into your blender. Get everything blended up real nice. It's up to you. I like it a little chunky, but everyone's a little different. We also roasted up onions. You can really smell that garlic. That garlic looks. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's really nice. You're gonna add in a pinch of comino, just a pinch, really strong herb. You're gonna add in salt to taste. And again, we're using our own smoked salt. And 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. That's how you just blend it. It smells fantastic. Pour it in here. Like I said, I like it a little chunky. We're gonna add in also. This is all optional right here. But we'll add in a little bit of chopped onion and a little bit of cilantro. Gives it a little bit of flavor, a little bit of color. Taste it. That's spectacular. Really spicy though. Really spicy. Alright guys. Hey guys, Smokey D here. I hope you enjoyed these 2 salsas. You got the silky green and the bold red. Sure to be a hit at any party. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, or hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. See you guys next time.